In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to black out an image in Canva. If you need to hide sensitive information, create a silhouette effect, or cover part of an image cleanly, Canva makes it much easier than most people expect. You do not need advanced photo editing software to get this done. Canva already gives you the tools you need, whether you want to turn an entire image black or just block out one specific area. To begin, make sure you are inside an active Canva design workspace. A common mistake is trying to find editing options from the general homepage before opening a design. Those image controls work best once a project is open. From the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose the format you want, such as a presentation, social media post, or any other layout that fits your project. If you already have a design ready, you can simply open that existing file instead. Once your canvas is open, bring in the image you want to work with. On the left side, click Uploads, then drag your photo onto the canvas. After that, click directly on the image so it becomes selected. You should see the selection handles appear around it. At this point, decide which result you want. If you want to black out the entire image, continue with the full image method. If you only need to censor one part of the photo, use the shape method next. For a full blackout effect, with the image becoming a dark silhouette, go to the top toolbar and click Edit Photo. Open the Adjust settings and scroll until you find the light controls. Bring brightness all the way down to -100, then lower contrast to -100 as well. After that, reduce highlights and shadows to their minimum values. This removes most of the visible detail and pushes the image into a solid black look while still preserving its shape on the canvas. If you only want to hide a certain section like text, a face, or another private detail, go to Elements on the left sidebar and insert a square from the Shape section. Once the shape appears on your canvas, click the color option at the top and change it to solid black. This gives you a simple blackout box you can use as a censor bar or full cover. Now resize and position that black shape over the part of the image you want to hide. Use the corner handles to stretch it until the area is fully covered. Take a second to zoom in if needed so your placement is precise. When everything looks right, click the shape and then use the lock option in the top toolbar. This helps prevent it from shifting accidentally while you continue editing the rest of your design. And that's it. That is how to black out an image in Canva, either by darkening the full photo or by covering only the section you want to hide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.